Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Yesterday we had released one video at 10 o'clock. So we had recorded the live status of our indicator, what it was showing, where is the buy zone, where is the sell zone, where is the R3C has formed, how to take the entry, suppose if SL hit, what to do. So all those details we have clearly mentioned in the video, and whatever we said exactly it had happened. Whatever we said exactly it had happened. Also we had mentioned that the first candle was having very bearish strength. This candle yesterday at 9:15 candle, it was having very high volume of the bearish, that is sellers. So we said don't go for the buy entry today. If you are going for buy entry, wait for little further. Okay, you have to let the market to go market down more, then only we have to take the trade. That's what we have said. And we also mentioned that this candle was a rejection candle, and next candle 9:45 candle was the confirmation candle. Now we have to note down the high of the rejection candle and the low of the confirmation candle, these two candles. So which means what? From 9:30 to 9:45 high and low we have to mark. So how can we do that? In free indicator also I have given the option. So I will add the free indicator MST iTrend 2.0. Okay, so come to this part and select this area 9:30 to 9:45. Select this high and low middle point and remove everything. That's all. So now we said this is how we have to trade in this candle. Okay, this candle I am talking about. This candle 50% it will be retraced. So exactly it has retraced more than 50%. So now once the low of this candle is broken, then we have to go for the sell entry. So this is what we have taught you about the R3C. So hope it is clear now. What is an R3C? R3C means one candle will not go beyond the level and it will be rejected. Okay, that is called as RC. And immediately another candle, it will give an confirmation. It will give a confirmation that market is not going further. That is called as confirmation candle. So the second candle was the confirmation candle. Now we have to mark both of these high and low. Once high or low, once the low of the second candle is broken, we should not go immediately trade. We have to wait for a market for a retracement. Then we have to go for the trade. See the profit. So how much profit you have got, you can witness yourself. Simple method, but using our support and resistance level. Simple method, but using our support and resistance level. Now I am enabling our indicator. See exactly from our mid zone. Okay, I81 mid zone, it was reversed, and immediately we have another support also. Now at the support level, once it is broken and closed below, then we are going for the entry. Okay, so this is one method. And what is another method? Another method is whether market is going down or not, we are not bothering about. So we will be taking the entry as per the level. So to avoid the maximum loss, we are keeping small stop loss, very small stop loss. So this has happened previous day. day before yesterday, buy activated, target hit. This happened previous day, buy activated, targets hit. And here yesterday what happened, I will keep it in 1 minute time frame so that you will get better clarity. And whatever time frame we are keeping, we will not get any loss, we will not get any changes in the values. So now buy or sell activated. If buy activated, we have to remove the sell. If sell activated, we have to remove the buy. Don't forget. So I am keeping first buy entry, because sell not activated, buy only what is activated. So, and I am also enabling second sell and second sell targets. Now I can remove all other extra fittings. So now what happens? See, once buy acted, we have to wait for the buy target. If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. Is it clear? So here buy perfectly activated, but buy target was missed by 96. Some 10 points we missed for the targets. After that it came down, but it did not touch our second sell entry. See the low made was 45,836 and our stop loss was 45,833. So SL was safe. Also we are telling we have to wait for the close. Okay, even if it is touching and going back, don't exit, because we are in option trading. So wait for the market to close. And if you get any R3C pattern, then you can go for the reversal entry. So here again we got the entry. Here only stop loss hit at 11:43 only stop loss hit. Before hitting the stop loss, the market was about to reach the target, but we missed it by 10 points. Now here again we got the entry, and here we got the perfect target. What was the low? 45,774. Okay, and our target was, what was the low here? 45,757, and the target was 45,761. So perfectly our target hit. So this is how we have to trade. If SL hit, you should not be crying. You should know what to be done. So we, in our method, in our system, we have kept such a design that if SL hit, we have to go for a reversal entry. Before we get the trade, we have an option of using R3C. See here also we have got one R3C pattern in 1 minute time frame, very small stop loss, but see the big profit. Here also we have got one R3C, we have got very good profit. So wherever you do, whatever chart you keep, you can find some very good trades setup. Now coming to next market level, noon market. Okay, this I have kept in the noon market. See, in the noon market, perfectly it has come down to buy zone. It has taken the support, SL not hit, and we have got all the 3 targets hit. All the 3 targets have been hit in the noon market. So see the accuracy. So it is performing perfectly well. And see here, I'll enable this also. Second, once we enable first buy, we have to enable first sell. First buy, second sell, second buy, first sell. Okay, this is the pair. See here, in the noon market has reached the zone, sell zone, and it has fallen. Then again it has taken support from the midpoint, it has reached the sell zone, again it has fallen. See the accuracy, yesterday only. So in the default settings, SL was hit by before reaching the target of 10 points. Okay, we missed the target by 10 points, and immediately it has given the target in the second sell side. So yesterday we did not face any loss. And in the noon market, both the side we have got the profit. First side we have got the profit, here also we have got the profit, here also we have got the profit. Yesterday also I have mentioned one point very clearly. Once the market is in sell side, don't go for the buy. If you want to go for the buy, what you have to do? You have to extend here. Okay, only the buy level you have to extend. You have to keep in 3D or 2D. You have to wait for the market. Then you have to get one confirmation before you going for the trade. So before you going for the trade, you have to wait for one confirmation when already you are in a profit. Now you are going against the market. So that time you have to wait for the entry. See here, yesterday I told you to keep in 3D. Now in 3D it has taken the support. So hope it is clear, right? Even in day time frame also you can keep it, but wait for one confirmation. Why? The reason is, it is not because it will not give the target, because we are already in a sell side. Market was in a bearish mode. We have got the profit in the sell side also. Now we are going to take the entry against the trend. If you are going against a trend, we need some extra confirmation so that we will get some confidence level. Okay, so this is how it works. Hope it is clear. I will show you one MCX. Yesterday Nifty also performed well. Where is the Nifty? Where is the Nifty also? It was it gave me wonderful profit. Nifty Fin. See the Nifty, exact entry, very high accurate entry from here. High made 20,556. Okay, and our sell entry was 20,555. So just 1 point it went above our level and it has fallen like anything. And here also SL not hit. The SL was saved 20,411.40. Okay, I told you how to wait for one confirmation, and again it has reversed back. Again it has fallen from the same resistance zone. Now once we booked the profit from the sell entry, what I told you, go back here and increase the level to 3D or W and wait for the entry. Don't go immediately. See here we got one R3C pattern at the support zone. Clear? Then only we are going for the market trade. In 1 minute also we are getting the profit. See here one more one, this one, and immediately confirmation. Here also you can go for the entry and see one more R3C at the support level. This is rejection of candle. This is the confirmation candle. See the stop loss, very small stop loss. You can keep 1:10 also at this range. The only thing is you have to have patience and confidence. So from here we got the sell entry, we got the all targets hit. Again we got the buy entry, then we got all the targets hit. Again we got the sell entry, then we got the 2 targets hit. So this is how we are trading. So this is the very simplest method which is available in the world. Okay. Now again I am keeping in default settings. Again I am keeping in default settings. Now I will show you crude oil. One MCX also I will show you. Where is the MCX? You can choose any stock options. Okay, you can choose any stock. Same performance you will get. But thing is you have to regularly practice. If you are trading in one script, trade in the same script again and again, so that you will get a profit. Don't change every day the script. If you are trading crude oil, next day also you have to trade in crude oil, because we are telling overall you will get a good profit. Someday you will face loss also. See here what happened. What I am doing, come here, I am keeping in default settings. I am not changing anything. So now market has not reached the upper zone. It has reversed and it has touched our buy zone. From the buy zone, all the 3 targets hit. Once again it has come down to buy zone, all the targets hit. So here we should not go for the sell entry, because already we are in a buy entry. So by the time market has reached around 8 o'clock. So now what we can do, go here and change the market type to evening, and you can see the fresh level. You can see the fresh level in the evening market also. Buy got activated. Okay, now you have to ignore the sell. So in sell also we got one target. See here sell activated and one target hit. Again second buy you can wait. Second buy got activated, and let us see how many targets hit. Where is the second buy? This is second buy. In second buy, first target hit. Okay, already we are in a buy zone, buy trend. We are in buy trade from the morning session, and evening session also we got a buy confirmation, and we should not go for the sell entry. Okay, this is how we have to trade. It is a very simplest method available in the world. Thank you all. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done, and please encourage all your beloved one to subscribe our channel and subscribe to our Telegram channel, also to subscribe our indicator and join our advanced option trading course and advanced price action trading course. Once you become a lifetime member of our indicator, you will get 50% discount in all the training courses whatever we conduct lifetime. Okay, you will get all these benefits, don't worry. And every day, every Sunday we are conducting doubts clearing session to clear all your doubts and to make you a professional trader. So thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all the best to have a successful trading day ahead.